Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit Facebook ads. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focused so you can confidently make changes without disrupting your performance. You'll be working inside Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager, the central place to manage campaigns, budgets, and creative. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser and signing in to the correct business. From the main dashboard, look for Ads Manager. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the left navigation or highlighted on the home screen. Click Ads Manager to open the workspace where all your ad campaigns, ad sets, and ads live. If you see the option more than once, click through until the full Ads Manager view loads. Inside Ads Manager, make sure you're on the campaigns view. This is the highest level where you control overall objectives and, if you use Advantage Campaign Budget, your campaign level budget. Remember, there are 3 levels: campaigns at the top, ad sets in the middle, and ads at the bottom. For this guide, we'll stay at campaign level, which is where broad edits like naming and budgeting are typically made. Find the campaign you want to adjust and select its checkbox. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct one by checking the campaign name, delivery status, and results to date. Selecting the checkbox prepares the campaign for editing and prevents accidental changes to the wrong item. If your list is long, sorting by date or results can help you spot it faster. With the campaign selected, click Edit. A side panel will open with the available settings for that campaign. Here you can adjust the campaign name for clarity, review your buying type and objective, and, if enabled, change the campaign budget and schedule. Use the right-hand preview and summary areas to confirm exactly what will change. If any fields are locked, it simply means that setting can't be modified while the campaign is active or under review. When you're satisfied, choose Save or Publish. Save stores your edits as a draft so you can double-check later or collaborate before going live. Publish applies the changes to the active campaign and may trigger a review by Meta. Allow time for that approval. Significant updates like budget or targeting shifts can affect the learning phase and short-term performance, so plan edits during lower traffic periods when possible. That's it. Your Facebook ad campaign is now updated with confidence.